I do not have fear anymore. I don't care if you bash or like me anymore. I will tell you the truth. Let me drink a little coffee. Sana drama na lang to. Sana TV show na lang. All these food, they taste like metal. This watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me, watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement. That is the correct process of healing. You should defecate, pass your bowels, and urinate every day. Get all the toxins out. You know what my doctor said? You can eat anything. You have cancer. You try to eat. Even if no taste, I try and try to eat. If I don't eat, I will die. These are my medicines. I will take it in front of you. My relatives do not want me to make this video, but I said I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa niyo? Binas na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. Filipinos should be more caring, more honest. That's why we have all these hardships. Filipinos love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. My whole body is tingling right now, Doc Lisa. Ito, ang kapal-kapal. It's like a spirit came here, all over here. I thought I had high blood pressure. Natatakot ako. So I got them to check my BP now. This is my BP. 115/74. My BP 3 days ago is only 85/50. 3 days ago, I was vomiting, shouting, delirious. Heart rate is always 118, temperature 36.8. Hindi po ako nagloloko. Hindi to bola-bola. Life and death to. Baka bukas patay na ako. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz.